How to fix Lorex app not working on iPhone. Let's get started. Solution 1. Update the app to its latest version. For that, launch your App Store. At the very top, you will see the search box. Over there, type in the app name Lorex and search for it. After app appears, at the right corner of the app, you will find the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update over here, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Once you update the app, you can check whether it is working or not. Solution 2. Clear cache for the app. For that, launch your settings. Scroll down, navigate to the option of General, hit towards the option iPhone Storage. Make sure you have enough storage in your device. If not, you can delete the unused apps. Likewise, open the app Lorex, then click on Offload app. Click on Offload app. Offloading app clears cache for the app. Now click on Reinstall app. Once you reinstall the app, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. If the solution doesn't work for you, you can apply solution 3. That is, you have to completely delete this app from your device and reinstall it. To do that, click on Delete app. Click on Delete app. With that, you just deleted this app from your device. Now you can close this, launch your App Store, search for the app Lorex and install it. By following all these solutions, your problem will be fixed. Well, this is how you can easily fix Lorex app not working on iPhone. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.